to just out of you trip 168, I think. Maybe 169. I think 168. Today, quiver tipping with the dumbbell. Let's see what we get. Because it took me dumbbell. There's a big fish. Just to show how good the chub is at unhooking itself. It got caught on this branch as I was netting it. There's the hook in the branch, it's a little size 16. And the chub's in the net. Amazing, isn't it? I'll quickly show you. There it is, that. Alright, Sonny. He's fine. Only a little baby. Little chub. Straight back. Here comes an otter. It was eating something like a little tiny bug or something. So after the otter swam through my swim, I didn't get any more bites. That was yesterday evening, and today is a different day. It's going to be about 30 or 40 mile per hour winds, so I might be moving about. I really kind of want to stay put though. I am enjoying giving the swim a bit more time than I normally do to see what comes along. So anyway, same bait as yesterday, maybe a bit of paste. Let's see what we get. There it is, only a little baby, much bigger in here. Let's put it straight back. I'm sure you can hear how windy it is, but I'm going to give this swim a cast. Let's see what we get. That looked like a bite. It's almost impossible to tell. It's getting really windy. It's meant to be about 40 mile an hour gusts. I've put the leisure weight back on and I'm back on the pace. This might be the final cast because it's really difficult to see a bite. The bigger chub, they're not going to rip my rod in like a barbel would. They're just going to give me little bites. And I can't, my rod's bouncing all over the place, but I'm going to give it another go, see what we get. I actually caught a snag and I've just snapped off, so I'm going to get myself home. Thank you very much for watching, thanks a lot for subscribing as well, and see you again next time, maybe if it's not so windy. Bye.